Hi, good morning, art friends. Me, teacher Jeng. Welcome to this week's art class. So, what we have here is a picture of a garlic. So, what you need to do is make sure that you compose the image properly by getting the top part and the bottom part first. Now, once you've done getting the top part and the bottom part, what you need to do is cut it into three. So, try to see the section of the top part towards the body, which what we have is the body is a little bit longer than the top part. So let's just say we cut it here around 1/4, and then half will be the body. Then what you need to do is measure how wide the garlic would be. Probably, let's just say, around this area. If you start to measure both ends, make sure that it has the same distance from the top part. So most of the time it is the same principle as starting with a box or a square construction drawing. Then what you need to do is construct the image as simple as possible at first. So what I do, instead of creating a curve shape here, what I would do is just simplify my lines. Instead of creating curves, I would just create angles on the area. Now that we've construct our the basic proportions of the garlic, I would slowly position the shadow first, and then just lay out a shadow here so the drawing doesn't look like it's floating. Then now we have the initial shadows. We could now concentrate working on the overall shape. Now in doing the overall shape, what you need to do is to make sure that you study the left side towards the right area. Do not just draw completely from one side and then working on the other side after. What you need to do is to make sure that you're drawing both sides at the same time. Then you could slowly build up the shadows. For the shadows, try to build up as simple as possible at first, because we are still going to fix it in a while. What you need to do is just establish how yung general outlook ng garlic. Then what you need to do is make sure that you shape and section the clothes. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Probably I would section this one. So we have 1, we have 1, 2, and then section it here, 3, and then 4. Then make sure when you're drawing that you check both sides to keep everything in balance. Then you could work around the construction drawing. So now it is properly placed or divided into 4 parts. Then you could slowly put the general shading on the garlic. You have a reflected light around this area, so make sure that you pay attention to this area as well. And then of course, pay attention to the midtones and the half tones of your drawing. Now once everything is done, you could slowly build up the shape and the overall value of your drawing. Pay attention to the textures of the garlic. And then slowly work your way up until you could finish the drawing. Detailed version of this one will be sent on your email, drawn on paper with instructions on how to do it in a much more detailed version. So this is Teacher Jeng. I will see you guys on your art class schedules. May everyone have a wonderful day. Love and peace.